Fire away. Wait there. Wait there. Yeah, that's it. Sit up a bit. Stay there. Stay in the pool.
Can I put those on YouTube?
Don't know.
No, not till you have
Alright, go get them. Get them both.
Rashi.
Good work, buddy. Now give them to Darren. Now go and get in the pool.
Rashi.
Oh, I don't know. Could be. Alright, fire away. Oh. Fire two.
Fly one.
Fire two.
Hey!
Good one.
Don't hit the swimming pool.
Go and get him.
I said no.
What do you call it?
Hit it.
Trajectory.
No swimming.
Just go and get him.
Why do you keep hitting the swimming pool?
I'm trying to get it in the
Why?
swimming pool.
Why? No, you're not getting it in the swimming pool.
Go and get in the swimming pool. She's not really aiming for the swimming pool, child. Get in, quickly. Fire one.
You did it.
Alright, try and shoot it out of the sky.
Ready?
Here it comes. Here it comes. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Get him. Get
Bring
him.
him back.
Bring him back.
Rashi.
Get them both.
Rashi.
In the pool.
Rashi.
I don't know.
Rashi. Boo.
Rashy poo. Fly one. Shoot it out of the sky. Good shot.
I'm gonna shoot
Stay in
it
there.
and then I will.
Stay in the pool. Stay in the pool.
Yep.
Fly two. Go and get him. And that's